Let's talk a little bit more about fireplace design before we get to the actual transformation. Since a fireplace is a more permanent feature in your home, you really want to hone in on your aesthetic and your function. If the overall aesthetic of your home is a little bit more traditional, but you want kind of a modern feel, you could go with something like this. Very tone on tone, has a lot of shape to it, and you can add traditional elements to it, but yet it still feels fresh and new and doesn't feel dated. Scale is also really important. If you have lower ceilings, you want something that's not going to overwhelm your room. Take this neoclassical design behind me. Still makes a statement, has a lot of personality, very beautiful. But if your ceilings are lower and your space is more intimate, this isn't going to feel out of place or out of proportion. I got a lot of positive comments when I shared this concept image, and it is beautiful and it really fits this space. But I think something you want to think about is, do you want a mantle? Do you not want a mantle like shown here? What are you going to put above your fireplace? This is a beautiful piece of artwork that can be changed out with any passing trend that goes by. And so those are the kinds of things that I want you to think about when you're designing your fireplace.